China is home to half of the world's skyscrapers, and 70% of the skyscrapers around the world that are over 300 meters high are also built by Chinese companies. 300 meters is really the threshold for modern skyscrapers. Construction will be much more challenging above that height, mostly due to stronger winds. And China has been a leader in construction technologies for building skyscrapers.
Hello people, Gerald here. I am standing on proof of China's mastery of skyscraper engineering, and this construction beast holds a record for building one floor in just 3 days.
The official name for the building machine is pretty long and has given me a learning curve: the Intelligent Micro-Bomb Jacking Formwork system. It is an integrated building factory in the middle of the air. The machine covers 3.5 structural floors. The top level is for binding steel bars and creating the skeleton of the building. And the other levels are for molding, concrete placement, and structural reinforcement. That means multiple floors can work at the same time, improving efficiency while reducing labor costs by some 20%.
这个安全性是最重要的，因为这个高空它这个一个是这个强风，再就是暴雨。常规的这个挂架在这个高空中300到500米是不平稳的。造楼机它最重要的一点就是提供一个安全平稳的一个平台，给工人提供这个安全的作业环境。
Bao is now part of the team building the Great River Center in central China's Wuhan, along the Yangtze River bank, a new cluster of modern high-rises. It took the construction team 2 years to top 1/3 of the main tower of almost 400 meters high with the help of the building machine. The machine weighs almost 1,000 tons, and it's quite interesting to learn how it climbs up as the building becomes taller.
可以看到这里边有每一根粉色的，一共12根立柱，包括它的液压油缸系统，共同组成了这个顶升的系统。立柱的油缸共同升高，会把这个平台顶升到一个新的高度。
Basically, hydraulic systems lift the entire platform up while it builds up the tower. The one I visited is a 4th generation machine. It takes it 4 hours to jack up. That's half the time needed for previous generations.
到现在应该来说的话，我们在整个从建造的装备工艺方面来讲，在全世界层面来讲都是领先的。
Wang Kai-Chang chairs the research center that has been perfecting the building machine. I've learned that previous generations of building machines were much heavier, weighing a couple of thousand tons, but they could build super tall buildings quite easily. The market changed, however, after China took a different turn in rising skylines, rolling out regulations to ban construction of skyscrapers over 500 meters high and limit construction of buildings over 250 meters high. It's an effort to curb original competition for creating new landmarks as vanity projects, some of which are not needed.
因为造楼机它本身也是一个装备，那么它在发挥价值的同时，它能不能够高效，它能不能更少的去占用资源，这个也是需要去考虑的。就是我要提高造楼机这种装备本身的国际化程度。
So now, the building machines have become smaller, smarter, and can fit onto different heights and sizes. I also went on top of a much smaller building machine that's used for residential buildings.
这个完全不一样的感受，你那种的我估计你都不敢上的。
那个是不是造楼
啊？对，不是造楼机。你想啊，以前在同一作业面，我们的质量控制是一个什么样的质量控制？那都是混凝土浇筑前最后的叫什么隐蔽验收啊，进行检验。我们现在钢筋检验、模板检验、混凝土检验、预埋件检验。这都是分开的，每一道工序都是分开的单，每一道工序然后都有自己的工作的内容，那都是分批检验了。
As each level of the building machine is dedicated to one single task, workers can focus more on their specialized skill sets, and each procedure will be inspected separately, ensuring quality. Skyscrapers have been a symbol of fast economic growth, but as China transitions from quantity-driven to quality-driven, is no longer just focusing on height and speed, but rather sustainability and what its people need.